did want to start off today's class speaking about hydration and its importance. And I think it's funny because so many people think that speaking about hydration in the summer months when it's really hot is, really important. But actually, it's equally as important as we go into the colder months. Right now, the weather is, it's starting to change, it's getting a bit colder out. But drinking water is equally as important. And so there's a few reasons for that. So the first one, it's a pretty simple reason. We're going to be bundling up, right? We're going to be putting on coats and, we're going from outdoors to indoors, and we can get hot and sweat just from those layers alone. So we need to replenish the liquid or the fluid in our bodies and the electrolytes that we're losing just from the sweat of walking around in bundles and layers, and from the inside and outside, and from all that sweat that we're going to be, perspirating out of our bodies. We need to replenish that. So that's, the number one reason I would say why it's important to, stay hydrated, because we are still sweating in the winter months. And, another reason for that is because, fluids and hydration are very important in keeping just a pH balance in our bodies. So it's important to make sure that, the fluids in our body and let's say in our bloodstream, don't get too acidic or too basic, and having, water and staying hydrated and the electrolytes that we're getting from different hydration methods will help keep a good pH balance in our body and our bloodstreams. So that's going to be super important as well. And then the third reason why hydration is super important and making sure we're drinking enough and consuming enough liquids is for what we've spoken about in the past, to help fiber do its job in keeping our bodies and our digestive systems regular. So I've spoken about in the past how fiber is very, very important for different things in the body, but let's go to the digestive process. It's very important to help keep us going regular, right? We want to make sure we're going to the bathroom daily and pretty regularly. We want to prevent constipation because that can actually cause a whole myriad of problems and chronic illnesses itself. So we want to make sure to prevent that. But the thing with fiber is that if we have too much fiber, but we're not getting enough liquid in our diet, it will do the opposite effect and will actually be backed up, and it will cause that constipation. It will be pretty difficult for the fiber to do its job in keeping our digestive tract healthy and normal. So making sure we're drinking enough water is going to be super important. And when I say water, I mean fluids in general. Soup is a great way to get fluids into our body, any types of soups, because there is water in there. So there's a whole other bunch of healthy reasons for eating soup, but keeping hydrated is definitely one of them. And just having fluids, consuming fluids. Those are great reasons to make soup, to have soup readily available in our refrigerators or our freezers, and just another way to stay hydrated.